Want some bite size? Yum!
Hi, this is Mr. Dave with the National Museum of Nuclear Science and History. We are here at the museum. We are actually in our exhibit with the Fat Man. So we're going to be doing the mold effect today. And that is when you have a glass and you've got ball chain. Okay, this one here is rated 1.2 on our difficulty rating, and that's not because it's hard, that's not because it's dangerous. This is actually very easy and extremely safe, but it is a little more expensive. This one costs about 25 bucks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull down on this chain and we're gonna see what happens. There are some effects. When that mold effect comes into action there, you'll see that that chain actually jumps out of that glass. So you'll see as it's leaping out of that glass there, that chain doesn't just fall, but it jumps. Now I'm gonna show you the science behind that, and I'm gonna demonstrate it using a skateboard. So if you've ever skated before, or if you've watched skate videos or played the Tony Hawk video games, you're gonna know to jump on a skateboard is called to ollie. So to ollie on a skateboard, what you're gonna do is you're gonna push down on this side with this foot, and that is gonna give you your pop, okay? So if you imagine that this ball chain, you've got a ball and you've got chain on either side, the wheel is like the ball on that chain. So if this was the chain on the one side, this was the chain on the other side, when you pull up on this side, you can see that the same kinematics are happening as happened with that ball chain. When this goes up, the other side goes down. So when it comes down, then that's going to give you the energy or the kinetics that is going to give you that pop. And so when this side's pulled up, equal and opposite, this side's pushed down, and then you get that jump. So you can see that this is following kind of that same little upward path like that chain does. So when you pull up on one side of the ball chain, it pushes down on the other, and that's what gives you that little jump. So then it jumps out of the cup, gravity begins to take hold, and when gravity takes hold, it arcs, and it starts coming back down. So it makes that little jump, jumps out of the cup, and heads right back down. Now, obviously I'm not skating in the museum here, no skateboarding in the museum, but that same little visual is in play with our mold effect. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If there's something that you want to see us do, put it in the comments and we will see if we can do your demonstration. Thanks.